so lovely, so sweet. Yeah, I need it from you. Got my hands all on you, sweet. Everything I want is sugar like yes, please. Love is like candy, sweet. Yeah, I need it from you. Got my hands all on you, sweet.
All right, surf's up. All right, I think we're at the boardwalk, or close to it. All right, here we are. We're back on the boardwalk, but this one's a little different. This one's at Hershey Park. All right, welcome back to the channel. We're at the boardwalk, but not any ordinary boardwalk. We're in the one at Hershey Park. I already did the Hershey Park video. This is part 2, where we're going to show you all the water rides and everything inside the boardwalk, right?
Yeah, you can bring your family here in the middle of the summer and spend all day just at the boardwalk on all the water rides and all the pools. It's really incredible. You're going to love it.
For sure. Please make sure you
like, subscribe, and click the notification bell.
And let's get started. There's a lot of water rides in this water park. It's definitely an all-day thing. All right, they even got a lazy river here. You talk about the best way to spend the day. Look at all these people just floating around. Very easy to get in and out of too, for sure. All right, this is cool. The free zone. Mix whatever you want in these frozen slushies. Look at this kid zone. Lots to do here. Man, are these kids having a blast? You put your kids here, you won't see them for the rest of the day. You talk about fun. These kids are having a blast. I don't know. I'm in my shoes, but I'm going to try and go out here because this is awesome. I'd spend all day here. The bucket drop. It's filling up now.
Oh, there it goes.
There it goes, the bucket. There it goes. See how my wife, what ride she can get on. That's what this is all about. It tells you different levels. Looks like she's a Reese's peanut butter cup though. But yeah, it tells you what size rides you can get on based on how you measure up. There it is. Tidal force. You will get wet on this ride. Let's see a boat come down. We just missed that one. Here it comes, tidal force. I'm pretty sure I'm in the splash zone, so I'm gonna bail out of here. There it is. Oh my God. Whoa. You're right. All right, let's take 2 on that one. Here we go again. Tidal force. Massive wave. Do one more of these. Tidal force. Take 3. Here it comes. All right, this is where you rent the cabanas for the day. All right, and if you want to do something really cool, they got these cabanas over here that you can rent for the day. And you can see they have their own access to the lazy river. It might be worth it on a busy day. Tap and go drinks. Man, look at this pool. If I only brought my bathing suit, I'd be in this. All right, maybe this is worth the price of admission on a hot day, but this is the wave pool. There's so many people in it right now. All right, here we go. The waves are coming. Look at these people, man. They are wound up.
nature's kisses and reaches, and we also participate.
Now this looks like fun. Just like the beach. Authentic boardwalk food, empanadas. Over here you got fresh mini donuts. This is the line. All right, here's a tip. If you don't want to wait in line, do mobile pickup. Look at these water slides here. This is the White Cap Racer. All right, look at this. This is called the White Cap Racer. You race down these tubes, and they even got your time up above. You can see that. I don't know when they're coming down. I hear some screaming. I'm assuming they're in these tubes. Let's see who wins. Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh, there's the time ticking. 17. Oh, there we go. Now let me tell you, that is fun and cool. I want to do that. And yes, they got locker rentals here. And they have a lot of them. Man, they got the boardwalk theme all over here. Atlantic City. I just did a video on that. Don't miss it. Ocean City, Maryland. Boardwalk. Another water park for the kids. This one might be for the littler ones. They're still having a blast for sure. All right, there it is. On a lot of boardwalks. Nathan's Famous Hot Dogs. Over 100 years old. $360. Look at this sandcastle for the kids. Maybe it's under construction. Look at this water park. Is this huge or what? I'm not sure. Maybe it's closed or something, but you can see it is massive and it looks like a blast for sure. Hersheypark. It's amazing water park. There it is, Coney Island, Ocean City, Wildwood. I got a couple videos on some of them. All right, look at this. You got the hydro, the pipeline, and the riptide. All these tubes are intermingled in.
Look how you want so, see how you go so. Look how you want so, see how you go so. Look how you ugly so, ugly from a long, long time ago. Look how you start so, watch how you reach so, see how you want so.
There's the funnel.
Ugly from a long, long time ago. And it's a wicked ungodliness that make you so, you're ugly so.
Here's where the tubes start. Let's check the finish line. All right, look at this one. The whirlwind and the surge all coming into the same pool. There it goes. I saw it slip by. Does this look crazy? Oh man. It looks like a blast. Whoa! You got the water park. Then you got Hersheypark, which is the HP. And then you got more water park. This is kind of where they merge together. One price, you get it all. All right, this boardwalk has everything. You can even see on the pavement here, they got stamped boards in it. And there's plenty of different food places too, I promise you that. Now here's a little tip. Right over there, where those silos are, is where they store the cocoa beans. Very large park. You can see from up here everything.
Sweet